Guys, we got a beast. 2020 Chevy Silverado 5.3. Got massive X-Comp MTs. Size, I have no idea. 26s. Look at these things. They're huge. Wheel lights, everything. This truck is massive. 8-inch lift, I guess, on it. 9-inch lift. Sorry, man. Sorry. 9-inch lift, really nicely done. One of the cleanest trucks I've seen done in a while. So, got factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it was into a single flex pipe. And what we did, just a Super 10 on it. See how he likes it. He might come back and we take the resonators off. Those ones right there and there. But right now, just FLOWMASTER Super 10 will be a part number in the link. It's 2.5 in, 2.5 out. And then it's got tips built into the bumper there and there. We might change those out for quads. Let us know in the comments so he can read them. If we should change them to quads, black. I would do black to complete the tire look. Here's the part number on the FLOWMASTER, 842516. There'll be a link in the description, but it's just really nicely done. It's a beautiful truck, guys. Seriously, in person, it's really, really beautiful. Camera might not give it justice. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe because we only get 20% of our people actually subscribing that are watching. And we prefer it to be like around 80%. So it'd be awesome. Let us know. Thank you, guys. It's not overbearing. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds neat. Again? Sound decibels, again. Again. Which resonators gotta go, man? It'll be beefier. You wanna do them now? Or you don't have time? All right. Go ahead and back it up. Drive it for a week. See how you like it. 9-inch lift, 26-inch wheels, just clean, man. Look at that. I like that. I love them lifted. They look good. Anyway, every way I like it. I don't care. As long as they make it their own, that's all I care about. Be different. That's not bad. Guys, here on the inside. Chevy Silverado FLOWMASTER Super 10. Still got the factory resonators. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna take the resonators off and do quad tips. That beautiful stance, man. 9-inch lift, 26-inch wheels. Just a beast of a truck. Yeah. Enjoy, guys.